Hi and welcome everyone. You're watching Two Youths Transplanted.
If you want to see how we made this frighteningly sweet Bride of Frankenstein Halloween cake fake bake, then stick around. Here's a list of the supplies that we use for this project. Craft foam, it's a block number 6. You can find it at Walmart for 97 cents. Fast and Final Lightweight Spackling, which is the best spackling in our opinion. Apple barrel paints in the color white, jet black, pumpkin orange, and limeade green. A bottle of black puffy paint. A Wilton star tip in the number 32, and a paintbrush. Also a pastry bag or parchment paper.
Now it's time to bring Frankie's wife to life, don't you agree?
Begin by icing all sides of the foam block except the bottom with the spackle. The lower quarter part of the cake, of the little block, is going to be her face. So you want to kind of leave that lower portion so that later on you can paint it apple barrel green. But don't paint anything until your spackle dries overnight. Then using the Wilton tip number 32, pipe wavy lines from the top of the foam block to the green section. Then pipe 2 eyebrows and 2 eyeballs.
On each side, pipe an ear and a jack-o'-lantern earring.
Next, pipe pointy peaks at the top of her head. I don't have a picture here for you to show you before it was actually painted with the black streaks. So just go ahead and imagine it as just white streaks. But we just wanted to show you the pointy peaks at the end. Give those ears and those jack-o'-lantern earrings a nice coating of the limeade green paint and pumpkin orange paint. And don't forget the little jack-o'-lantern faces. Then we added the jet black apple barrel paint to her eyebrows and her eyes. And then we used the black puffy paint to make eyelashes and a bow tie mouth. Now's a good time to give her that electrifying look by adding the black stripes to her hair. Now there are 2 ways to achieve the color on your project. You could either mix the paints into the spackling, or you could do as we always do and paint over the spackling, which is a much easier process and the colors are more vibrant. But if you do that, always remember to make sure that your spackle is completely dry before you begin your project, because if you do not let your spackle dry completely, spackling will mold on you when you go to paint over it. So just make sure your project is completely dry.
Doesn't she delight with fright? I think so.
We thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
See you later.
Bye.